In lesson 8.4, we'll use the zero product property to solve equations. If you multiply two numbers together and they equal 0, either the a is 0 or the b is 0. If you multiply two binomials together and they equal 0, either the first one equals 0 or the second one equals 0. The only way to make the first one equal 0 is to make x negative 3, because negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. The only way to make the second one 0 is to make x equal 5, because 5 minus 5 is 0. So the only two values of x that will make the entire equation equal 0 are 5 or negative 3. So the solutions are x equals 5 or negative 3. Next, we'll practice a very important tool called factoring out the GCF. Think about what would happen if we distributed 2 into x plus 1. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 1 is 2. If I started with 2x plus 2, could I get it back to the other form? What goes into 2x and 2? 2 does. How many times does 2x go into 2 go into 2x? X times. And how many times does 2 go into 2? 1 time. This process of pulling a 2 out of both 2x and 2 is called factoring out the 2. What could we factor out of 6x squared plus 9x? We can factor out a 3 from 6 and 9, and we can factor out an x from x squared and x. So if we pull out a 3x, what is left? 3x times what equals 6x squared? 2x, because 3 times 2 is 6, and x times x is x squared. 3x times what equals 9x? Just 3, because 3 times 3 is 9, and the x stays. So here we factored out 3x from 6x squared plus 9x, and we ended up with 3x times 2x plus 3.